With exciting gift, the experience of drinking and enjoying wine is easy, modern, and luxurious. This wine gift set includes an electric wine opener, electric smart wine aerator, foil cutter, vacuum stopper, and storage bag. Simply twist the foil cutter around the wine bottle to remove the foil. Place the electric wine opener on the bottle and with the push of a button, effortlessly remove the cork. Place the electric wine aerator on the bottle to dispense and aerate the delicious wine into the glass. Use the vacuum stopper to close up the bottle and minimize wine oxidation. Now, enjoy your glass of wine. The wine aerator is very simple to clean. Charge the wine aerator and wine opener with their included cords. And when finished, place the set back into the storage case. This bundle is perfect for wine lovers, and this set has all you need to enjoy the experience of a fine wine.
Hi guys, I wanted to get on here and share my thoughts on this rechargeable electric wine opener. This electric wine bottle opener can remove corks between 5 to 7 seconds and can open up to 60 bottles within a single charge. It's compatible with most wine bottle sizes and can power through synthetic or natural corks without any breakage. If you like drinking wine, this little tool can change your life. No more twisting and pulling with a manual corkscrew. This can save yourself a lot of time and effort. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this works, but before I start, I will show you here that it has the foil cutting part here. To get started, simply remove the detachable foil cutting tool that's at the end of your corkscrew. After removing the foil, you simply add the corkscrew to the top of your wine bottle. You press the button and you let it do its work from there. This electronic wine bottle opener can go through any cork with ease. I had removed this cork within seconds. Like I said, this is just such a fun gift for any wine lover, and you're able to enjoy your wine more quickly and with a fun twist to it. You can even press the button to remove the corkscrew from the electric wine opener. This comes with a USB charging cable, a foil cutter, and an LED indicator light. I also love how portable and lightweight this is. This This electronic wine bottle opener makes the perfect gift for housewarming, anniversary, weddings, birthdays, and more. I definitely recommend this as a gift for any wine lover or even as a treat for yourself.
This is the stainless steel electric wine opener set. It's a wonderful 4-in-1 gift set with an opener, a wine pourer, a vacuum stopper, and a foil cutter. The elegant design of this package makes it a really nice gift for any wine lovers. It is also a great tool for any occasion such as dates, birthdays, wedding, Christmas, New Year, and basically anything you wish to imagine. It's very easy to use as the electric wine opener is designed to be rechargeable and it's compatible with most wine bottle sizes. Hey, so you can remove the cork in just 7 seconds without breaking the cork by simply pressing the down and then the up button. It's a great 4-in-1 multi-purpose set with the opener, the foil cutter, the wine pourer, and the vacuum stopper. It meets all the needs of wine lovers. For example, you can not only use the pourer to reduce splashing, but also you can store your wine more easily by using the vacuum stopper to remove air from open bottles, and the foil can be removed easily by the foil cutter. It truly makes an amazing present with its classical design and useful function. This electric wine opener set becomes a memorable and attractive present for loved ones, friends, or yourself. You'll also enjoy the convenience that all the parts are small, portable, and equally great for a banquet, home, or travel use. I absolutely love it.